Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Shop Vac Gutter Attachment is probably one of the most effective and convenient ways to clean your gutters, saving you time, effort, and the potential hazards of ladders, making the whole process a breeze. This video will show you exactly why it's a worthwhile investment and how to use it properly, covering everything from setup to maintenance tips, so you can keep your gutters clean and your home protected from water damage. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN CMX CVBE38640 Gutter Cleaning Kit. This kit transforms your wet-dry vac into a powerful gutter cleaning system, saving you time and effort. It easily tackles hard-to-reach areas, making gutter maintenance a breeze. Say goodbye to tedious manual cleaning. Use it to vacuum out debris or switch to the blower nozzle to quickly clear leaves and other obstructions. The included extension wands provide extra reach, ensuring you clean every inch of your gutters thoroughly and efficiently. Everything you need is included: a gutter nozzle, a blower nozzle, and 2 extension wands. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's designed to fit CRAFTSMAN and most other wet-dry vacs with a 2 to 1 2-inch diameter hose. Check your vacuum's hose size for compatibility. What we like. It powerfully transforms your wet-dry vac into a gutter cleaning machine. Its nozzles and wands easily reach hard-to-reach spots. If you need a versatile solution for various gutter cleaning tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. Using just a 3-step ladder and a rigid 4-gallon shop vac, I can clean our gutters easily. Much better than breaking out the big ladder. This worked really well on the exhaust port of my DeWalt shop vac. It's got plenty of length and feels pretty well made, but not too heavy. I used this on my gutters and was very impressed with the results. I used the vacuum option opposed to blowing out the gutters. I didn't need a ladder for the single-story areas and it did the job fast and easy. Number 4. Vacmaster V2GK Gutter Kit. Tired of cleaning gutters by hand? This kit makes the job easier and faster. It's designed to work with most Vacmaster vacuums. Say goodbye to ladders and awkward positions. It easily clears debris from your gutters, saving you time and effort. It's designed to fit most 2.5-inch Vacmaster vacuums, ensuring a seamless and efficient cleaning process. Check your vacuum specifications to confirm compatibility. The angled tip allows you to reach into gutters from below, eliminating the need to climb ladders. This innovative design prioritizes your safety and convenience. It's perfect for removing leaves, twigs, and other debris that can clog your gutters. Keep your gutters clean and prevent costly water damage. Make gutter cleaning a breeze. Order your Vacmaster V2GK Gutter Cleaning Kit now and experience the difference. What we like. This kit makes gutter debris clearing a breeze. It's compatible with most 2.5-inch vacuums, saving you time and effort. If you prioritize simplicity and compatibility, this is a great choice. What people say. It worked perfectly and no running up and down a ladder. Sucked the leaves out with my shop vac. It worked great. It didn't get clogged unless a branch got bridged across the opening. I used a rigid shop vac with 4 extensions, 2 provided plus 2 original with the shop vac. With all of that it still had great suction. This attachment worked great. It pulled the majority out. It worked for our poplar and maples leaves. Number 3. Toro Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit. This kit makes cleaning your gutters easier than ever. Its flexible design and extendable length give you the reach you need. Say goodbye to frustrating kinks. The tubing is designed to stay flexible and won't block airflow, ensuring efficient cleaning. It easily attaches to most leaf blowers thanks to its 3 universal connection collars. No more worrying about compatibility issues. With 4 extension tubes, it extends up to 11 feet, allowing you to reach even the highest gutters. No more ladders or dangerous stretches. The included shoulder strap reduces fatigue and frees your hands to adjust the blower's speed for optimal cleaning. Work smarter, not harder. The wide diameter tubes and gutter nozzle deliver powerful airflow, quickly clearing leaves and debris. Get the job done efficiently and effectively. A ratchet strap ensures a tight and secure connection to your leaf blower, preventing accidental disconnections during use. Enjoy peace of mind while you work. Perfect for one-story homes, wooded areas, and those hard-to-reach gutters. It simplifies gutter cleaning in any situation. What we like. This kit offers maximum maneuverability with its flexible tubing and won't kink. The shoulder strap reduces fatigue and boosts control. If you have a one-story home or need extra reach, this is perfect for you. What people say. Using this on Toro 60V blower and it works great. Take some effort to thread the flexible sections on. Ratchet strap holds the tubes on the blower. The threaded tube sections are tight, no issues with air leakage or coming loose at highest air speed. The Toro Universal Gutter Cleaning Kit was exactly what I needed to get the leaves out of my gutters. I used the 4 extension pieces and the curved top piece. They went together rather easy. This gutter cleaning kit along with the blower unit works wonderful, had all my gutters cleaned 2 to 45 minutes max. Number 2. Workshop WS25051A Gutter Kit. Introducing the Workshop WS25051A Gutter Cleaning Kit. It's designed to effortlessly clean your gutters, extending your reach and saving you time and effort. This kit includes 2 extension wands, so you can easily reach even the highest gutters. No more dangerous ladders. The 90-degree elbow directs airflow precisely into the gutters, allowing you to blow or vacuum debris effectively. With its 2 to 1 2-inch diameter, it handles larger debris and maximizes airflow for superior cleaning. This kit is compatible with most shop vacuums that have a 2 to 1 2-inch diameter hose. It's a versatile solution for all your gutter cleaning needs. The kit comes with everything you need: a 90-degree elbow, 2 extension wands, a blower nozzle, and a male-to-male adapter. It's ready to use right out of the box. What we like. It includes extra extension wands for better reach. The 90-degree elbow directs the vacuum's power efficiently. If maximizing airflow and reach are your priorities, this is the kit for you. What people say. Works great with my CRAFTSMAN Shop Vac. I have used both the suction and blowing features to clear out the gutters. I used masking tape at each joint to ensure the sections didn't separate. Worth the money. Skipped gutter cleaning for a couple years and mine were packed. Using the cleaning kit and 2 other extension, the house is a bit tall with a 3-foot crawl space and fairly high ceilings, I could easily clean the gutters. No more hauling around ladders, water hoses, and blowers. Wish I found this earlier. Such an easy way to actually clean out your gutters. The Shop Vac adapter is amazing, it picks up anything in my gutters. Number 1. Husqvarna 952711918 Blower Kit. This kit makes cleaning your gutters a breeze. It's designed to work with your Husqvarna 125B and 125B VX blowers, extending your reach safely and easily. No more precariously balancing on ladders. This attachment lets you clean your gutters from the ground, keeping you safe and sound. It extends your reach up to 12 feet from just 2.5 feet off the ground. That's enough to reach most gutters with ease. The kit includes everything you need: extension tubes, a pivot tube, and a gutter nozzle. It's simple to assemble and use, perfect for everyone. This kit is a complete solution for cleaning your gutters. It's a time saver and helps you maintain your home's exterior effortlessly. This is a perfect addition to your existing Husqvarna leaf blowers. It seamlessly integrates for efficient gutter cleaning. What we like. This kit provides a 12-foot reach for easy gutter cleaning without ladders. It's designed for ease of use, suitable for all experience levels. If safety and ease of use are paramount, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Assembly was pretty simple, except for the pivot tube. Once I had those on the blower, I attached 3 more tubes and gooseneck for the height I needed. Leaned the tube part against the house, started the blower and one hand won the tube stack, the other on the blower. Just lean the tube on the edge of the gutter and little angle with the gooseneck and slowly walk along and out come the leaves. The gutter attachment works really well. It's lightweight, easy to use, and really does the job. It can be a little difficult given the fact that it's long, but after using it a few times it became a non-issue. I also like the fact that you can turn it left or right. It's given new life to my old 125B that was sitting in the shed. When properly installed on correct blower, 125B, I can now clear my 3 gutters in 2 minutes. This took 20 to 30 minutes before. Having to constantly move a ladder around to reach everything was a pain, and potentially dangerous. No more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.